Hi everyone, my name is Jamie and I'm a nutrition student here at Cal Poly Pomona, and welcome to the Food Facts series. In this video, we'll explain protein types, benefits, and sources. So protein, great stuff, important in repairing muscles, bone, cartilage, skin, and blood. Let's break it down a little bit more to learn more about protein. The basic building blocks of protein are amino acids. The human body can make many amino acids, but there are 9 essential amino acids it cannot make, meaning you need to consume these in your diet. Getting a balance of different types of amino acids, especially the essential ones, is important. Most animal-based proteins contain all 9 essential amino acids, but many plant-based sources do not. Some sources of animal protein are meat, dairy, and eggs. Don't fret though, if you're a non-meat eating individual, you can still get your essential amino acids by combining foods. Here are some easy food combinations to get all your aminos. Beans combined with nuts or whole grains, for example, beans and brown rice, or hummus with whole wheat pita bread. You can even have a peanut butter sandwich with whole wheat bread. When combining, they complement each other, and these are called complementary proteins. So, fun fact, some plant proteins already contain all the amino acids. Soy, amaranth, and quinoa are great examples of this. When choosing proteins, try to remember to choose lower saturated fat sources most of the time. Also, try to get a variety of protein sources to cover your nutrient needs. Some good lower saturated fat protein sources are fish, poultry without the skin, eggs, nuts, seeds, and soy. Stay tuned for the next video where we'll discuss more about fats, including saturated fat. Remember, it's all about the moderation. What is healthy for you may not be healthy for me, and we're all individuals. Join us in our other food fact videos to discuss carbohydrates, water, caffeine, vegetables, fruits, and body positivity. Visit the Bronco Wellness Center for more information. We provide one-on-one nutrition appointments for Cal Poly Pomona students. Follow us on social media or visit our website for upcoming events, information, and free giveaways. Remember, if you eat well, you'll be well.